we're here at Winter Wonderland, which is Cardiff's main sort of Christmas extravaganza. As you can see, there's a lovely ice rink here out by the beautiful City Hall in Cardiff. A little close-up on City Hall there. The beautiful civic buildings here, and the boys are singing 6 songs this evening. Just a week before album release, so to get people excited about it and to entertain people as they skate. People have just started skating now, and there's lots of fairground rides, big Christmassy atmosphere, so perfect for our performance this evening.
From the arms of disappointment for so long.
Hey, on the ice now. It's really hard. Yeah, did our first set really good. Audience like this. I'm gonna carry on now.
Hello, I'm like Christopher Dean here, just whizzing around the ice. Just done a couple of routines, so having a little bit of a breather now. And yeah, all's good. Yeah. I can't do it. That's it. Well, it's raining heavily, and Only Boys Allowed are doing an open-air performance in the street. Very unusual for Wales for us to have rain, but it's a good opportunity to advertise the Principality brand. So it's going to be like singing in the rain with the boys today. Great performance last night at Winter Wonderland. Busy day of promo today and tomorrow, like every day at the moment, but how lucky are we? So yeah, let's go and sing. Chance to see backstage. We're about to go and do a television performance on the Jeremy Kyle show for their Christmas special. So this is just a little bit of a warm-up for you to see backstage before we go on. All right, guys, just give you a nice big siren and an NG, please. And dig into a growl. Shake out, and let me see some decent posture, guys. Look rubbish.
Forget where you've come here from. Never pretend that it's all real.
Now this is the real Only Boys Allowed, everybody. Take a look over there. This is the vanity itself.